In the rapidly evolving landscape of mobile technology, the Honor 100 Pro stands out as a flagship device that seamlessly integrates cutting-edge features. In this essay, we will delve into the key aspects of this smartphone, focusing on design and display, camera capabilities, software and performance, and battery life. Design and display. The Honor 100 Pro boasts a sleek and ergonomic design that captivates the eye. Crafted with premium materials, its chassis is not only aesthetically pleasing but also durable. The device features a bezel-less 6.5 inches AMOLED display with an impressive resolution of 1440 x 3120 pixels. The high pixel density ensures sharp visuals and vibrant colors, making it a visual delight for multimedia consumption and gaming enthusiasts. The slim profile and minimalistic design contribute to a comfortable grip, enhancing the overall user experience. Camera. The camera system on the Honor 100 Pro is a testament to the brand's commitment to photography excellence. Equipped with a triple lens setup, including a 64MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP depth sensor, the device delivers stunning photographic results. The advanced image processing algorithms ensure crisp and detailed photos in various lighting conditions. The front-facing camera, with its 32MP sensor, elevates the selfie game, capturing nuanced facial details and supporting high-quality video calls. Software and performance. Running on the latest iteration of Honor's custom UI, the Honor 100 Pro provides a seamless and intuitive user experience. Powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 series processor, and coupled with ample RAM, the device ensures smooth multitasking and swift app launches. The graphics processing unit enhances the gaming experience, rendering high-end graphics with fluidity. The Honor 100 Pro ships with the latest Android version, complemented by regular software updates, ensuring optimal performance and access to the latest features. Battery life. One of the standout features of the Honor 100 Pro is its robust battery life. The device is equipped with a high-capacity 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage on a single charge. The implementation of fast-charging technology further adds convenience to the user experience, allowing users to top up their device quickly and get back to their daily activities. The power efficiency of both the hardware and software components contributes to an impressive battery life, catering to users with varying levels of usage intensity. In conclusion, the Honor 100 Pro emerges as a formidable contender in the mobile phone market of 2024. Its exquisite design, immersive display, powerful camera system, efficient software, and long-lasting battery collectively position it as a top-tier smartphone. As technology continues to advance, devices like the Honor 100 Pro exemplify the relentless pursuit of excellence in the realm of mobile innovation.